Hi, my name is Brian Peters, and I'm a librarian with the County Library's West Valley branch. Today, I'm going to give you a brief overview of a digital database available through the library's website. This particular database is designed to help you choose supplemental Medicare insurance called Medigap. Medigap is a supplemental insurance for Medicare users. Medigap is sold through private companies and can cover such things as copayments, coinsurance, and deductibles. This database will give you step-by-step guidance on how to select the right Medigap insurance plan for you. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to the County Library's website. To get there, type thecountylibrary.org. At the library's homepage, click on the Learn tab at the top of the screen. Next, click on the All Resources option on the lower left side. Once you are at the All Resources page, look for the Jump To option and click on the L through O link. From here, you want to find the Medigap Report WISE ratings. Once you click on the link, a new window will open and display the WISE Ratings Medigap Report homepage. Next, you will fill out the form on the right-hand side. This will include your name, email address, age, gender, and zip code. Once you have the form filled out, click on the Get Report button. This will start the process to generate your Medigap report. Keep in mind, this process can take several minutes to complete. Once completed, the database will generate a detailed report on your Medigap options. This includes a detailed breakdown of each Medigap plan A through N. Towards the end of the report, you can find the different companies that offer these various plans, what each plan costs, and the plan's safety rating as determined by WISE ratings. The WISE safety ratings is similar in purpose to credit ratings and is designed to help consumers find the best institutions to entrust with their insurance premiums. The higher the ratings, the more likely the institution will remain financially stable or strong in good times or bad. And if you have any questions or problems, you can return to the County Library's homepage, click on the We Recommend tab. Under Book Services, you can fill out an online Ask a Librarian form, or you can schedule an in-person appointment with a librarian.